Hey, who wants to see more videos like this? Hit that like and subscribe button right now. Do it. Do it now. Happy Saturday, ladies and gentlemen, and those of you that are somewhere in between. We have ourselves another predatory follow-up on another contractor. It's that large company in town I'm always telling you guys about. So it's a big problem, and I'm going to tell you about it right now. It's Seton Hvac, duh! All right, so I got a call today from a potential client, and he proceeds to tell me that tenants he had for many years, he might lose. They might break their lease. So this big company in town, this big HVAC company in town, went out on a service call. I'm assuming that the gas furnace wasn't working. I don't know if that's the case. I didn't get those specifics from him yet. We're continuing our dialogue. He and I are still talking. And anyway, so this company came out, the larger company in town. They drive a two-colored van that I've told you guys about before, that are on the color wheel. And they proceeded to use scare tactics on the tenants of this commercial building. It's a gas furnace, horizontally mounted. I'm assuming it feeds some offices and some shop space and stuff. But they took a couple pictures, and I think they found a cracked heat exchanger, which is fine. That's a good diagnosis. That's a reason to replace. He proceeds to tell me that this gas furnace is 95 or 96, 1995 or 1996, so it's old. It's 30 years old. It's lived its life. It's all good and well to replace it. The problem I have is that this company basically scared the living shit out of these tenants and told them they're either sick already or they're going to die. And so what's happening is the building owner told me that he's got at least one or two of the tenants went to the urgent care or went to their doctor and want to get tested out, make sure they don't have carbon monoxide poisoning. And then there's another one that wants to go to a neurologist and to get all this testing, and they want to. He's afraid they're going to want to break their lease because of all this. And so then I proceeded to ask him. I go, well, you have carbon monoxide detectors inside the space, and he proceeds to tell me that he doesn't have any in there at the moment. So there's a problem for him, right? But the underlying issue here is the contractor that went out there should have brought his handheld CO detector, his meter, UEI, field piece, whatever it may be, and he should have showed the guy or showed the tenants, hey, this is a dangerous level of carbon monoxide. It's probably unsafe for you, and that would have covered him. But he went in there without any evidence. So what the guy told me, the owner told me, is that he went in there and told them they have a crack in their heat exchanger. It's very unsafe. Like I said, they could be sick. They're going to die. Scared the living shit out of them is his words, and shut the furnace off and left and that's all he did. Like I said, it would have been just fine if he just said, So you have a crack in your heat exchanger. It's potentially dangerous for you. Here are my CO readings I have here on my handheld meter. I'm going to shut the furnace off for now. The system needs to be replaced, and that would have been the right way to go about it. That's the way I would have gone about it. So I'm going to go out there on Monday, late morning, early afternoon, as a second opinion, and I'm going to bring all my. I'm going to do a combustion analysis. I'm going to do a carbon monoxide reading with my UEI meter that I have, and set their mind at ease that there's not anything potentially that would make them sick or kill them, like the other guy said. So, yeah, we got another one. The guy saw dollar signs. He used the scare tactics. He wants to get the quick sale, and that's what these guys have been doing in here. About every couple of weeks, I come across this where I come behind these guys, and they kind of freak out the customer, and the customer doesn't trust them, and tells them that they need to buy something that they do not need. And I'm getting real tired of it, and I'll let you guys know on Monday what I find. I'm going to document all this. I'm going to let the customer know, hey, I document everything via video to cover my ass. So we'll have a nice YouTube video of this service call on Monday, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So stay tuned.